Hey guys, I'm going to record you a quick video on how to get 120 FPS on your Xbox console. So the first thing you do is you press your Xbox button, go over to your profile picture, go down to settings, go over to TV and display in the general tab, and now we're going to go to video fidelity and overscan. Now, I currently have it on auto detect, but I've also seen sometimes people have to change this to either DVI or HDMI, so it may vary depending on your current settings. But what I've currently done is I set this to HDMI, so we'll go ahead and do that now. It's going to ask me if I want to do it. I'm going to say yes. As long as your TV is compatible, you should be good at this point. If you do not see the following screen, do not press anything. It will automatically revert. If you press anything, it will mess up your console. You'll have to reset it. So what's going to happen, the screen's going to go black. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the color depth. We're going to set this to 36 bits per pixel. Now we're going to get the screen where it asks us if we want to keep the settings. This is the screen I warned you about. So I'm going to click keep because I can currently see my screen. If you cannot see your screen, do not press anything. So as far as the color space is concerned, I'm going to put this to PG or PC RGB and click switch anyway. Now what this is going to do is it's going to make the colors more vibrant. Your darks are going to be darker, colors are going to be more vibrant, etc. So we're going to keep these settings. And now at this point I can press B. So now you should be able to see an extra refresh rate box. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to 120 first. So same thing, it's going to ask me in a moment if I want to keep the settings. I do want to keep the new resolution. So now it's up to me to 1080p. So now we're running 120 Hz in 1080p. And we've got it set to HDMI, 36 bits per pixel, and PC RGB. As I said before, your override may be different depending on what kind of monitor you're running. I've had it work on DVI, HDMI, and auto detect. So as long as the other settings match, you should be good. Now, one last thing. So 4K TV details. You'll notice here that there's a lot of details. My camera's kind of blocking it, so let me get that out of the way. Basically, you can do 120 Hertz on some monitors in 1440p, but this particular monitor does not support it, so I cannot do that. But your monitor may or may not support it depending on what your current settings are. So go ahead and try what you may, but that screen will help you figure out what your TV is capable of before changing any of these settings. As you see, mine says it can't do basically everything, but I was able to force it, so maybe you can too. Anyways, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, share the video with your friends, and peace.